Hello.
It's gonna come back to you now. Have fun.
Maybe you're in the market for a new e-bike, but you've got some precious cargo or just regular cargo. Precious cargo you might be dropping off to school, for example, and you would like to have some room for that little one as well. The KBO Ranger might just be for you. Let me tell you a little bit about the KBO Ranger. First of all, at the back, it's got a huge 750 watt motor, which is really gonna help you propel yourself, plus whatever you've got back here, precious cargo or not. It's also got a 48 volt, 17.5 amp hour battery, and that's located up in here. And at the front and the back, we've also got mechanical brakes. So super, super safe, super powerful, and it's gonna get you up the hills too. So I'm gonna be riding around Victoria now, beautiful city, beautiful summer's day, and just give you some of my other thoughts about the KBO Ranger. So the KBO Ranger weighs a bit. It's a solid machine. It's made out of aluminum, but it is 77 pounds. So what you're gonna wanna do is be careful when you're going up and down stairs. But let me just show you, there's a really nice spot here. Grab it with one hand. My left hand is going up on the handlebars, and I'm just lifting it and walking it down the stairs, right down to the waterfall. So you've got yourself to the destination. How's the kickstand, you might ask? Well, it's a double big kickstand, 1 foot down, and I just lift it backwards, making it that I'm not having to use much strength at all to actually support it, and it's solid. It's not moving anywhere, that double kickstand. Love that. One of the really smart things they've done here is they've put 4 mounting bolts right at the very front of the KBO Ranger. It's really well made, super strong, and it will hold up to 50 pounds. One of the biggest differences between this and the kboBreeze, which I've reviewed recently, and I'm gonna put a link to that right up here, is that it does not have shocks. So no suspension on the KBO Ranger, but what it does have are 3-inch tires at the front of the and the back, and they're 20 inches in diameter. And I'm actually finding it completely comfortable. Like, I've been riding over the bumps, no issues whatsoever. So that 3-inch wide tire is really making up for the lack of shocks on the KBO Ranger. And the KBO does have a locking battery compartment, so that means I can unlock it here, and there's a quick release at the bottom just for safety. The complete removal there. Super handy if you want to take it to a more secure area. If you're parked somewhere you're not sure about, take the battery with you. But if you don't actually want to take it upstairs, or if you can just charge it where you are, there is a charging port right here, and it's lovely. It's really well done with the weather sealing. Love that. So power is done right here. Depress the button, hold it for a second, and then it powers up really quickly. Above the power button are little arrows, so you can go up and down. This is for the pass. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are little different levels. This is just the amount of extra power you're gonna get when you're pedaling. I typically ride around on pass number 3. Also, by depressing the power button, you can scroll through between the trip and the voltage and the circuit. One of the things I'm really liking about the KBO Ranger is the positioning of the hands and the positioning of the body. It's not fatiguing at all. It's actually really quite comfortable. So I'm really happy by that. It's making for a really nice ride around Beacon Hill Park this afternoon. What I'm noticing in pedal assist number 5 is that I'm able to hit a speed of around 20 miles an hour without any problems at all. The 750 watt motor has plenty of power to get me cruising along with no power, no issues whatsoever. In fact, even if I'm just going in pedal assist number 3, which is typically what I've used in the past on the kboBreeze, this one has absolutely no problems, just cruising along at about 15 miles an hour, which is about 24 kilometers an hour. And stop whatever you like, Michael. And here I am from a standing start on a steep hill, just kicking into the power. It's got no problems getting up here. But if I needed to, I could even use a Shimano 7-speed derailleur and gear down if I needed to. So you've got some precious cargo, you've got some extra space back here to make sure you can move that around. The KBO Ranger does a whole lot. It actually comes fully equipped. It came with the fenders at the front. running boards at the pack, which I put on for this video, but I'm gonna take off when I get home because I've got nobody that's ever gonna trust me to ride around with me in control. Maybe I get Michael, the cameraman, to sit on the back here facing the other way and I can ride him around here. Maybe. It also comes with a full rack at the back, and this is really heavy. Like, I've forgotten the exact weight or how much weight I can put back here, but it's really, really solid. Anywho, that's enough from me. Thanks for watching.
Big guy approved.